All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So this is a week after I did my reflection and my mini twist. Make sure you go and check out that video. Not now, I want you to finish this one and then you can go and watch the other one. So I'm going in with Old Faithful, my Jamaican black castor oil with the peppermint, hitting up my scalp, and then I massage that in. And one thing I did differently this time was that I did put a little bit of oil in the palm of my hand and rub that over my hair, only because I was taking it down. You know, I just wanted that little extra shine. Then I go through with my spray bottle, give it a light little misting just to kind of help it out, but not too much because I do not want to lose any of that stretch. All right, so when I take down my mini twist, all I basically do is I just separate them one time before I go in and do like my major separation and a big fluff and fold and all that razzmatazz situation. Sorry, y'all, Elijah. That all that situation. So yeah, that's all you pretty much see me doing right here, and I'm just taking my little before picture as always. All right, so I'm gonna slow it down and get a little bit closer for you guys so y'all can see what I'm doing. So as you saw though in a faster motion how I was, you know, separating them even more. But now here's a closer look. So what you want to do is you want to go in and find where the natural parting is of the hair, and you separate that piece. If you don't, you probably will get frizz. Now if you don't care about frizz, then you can pull them apart however you want to. Now some people, they will separate them and like coil them around their finger. I, however, do not do that because one, I use gel, but two, I like the look of it just being separated without having to retwist it, because I think they came out lovely. Okay, so here is the final results of my mini twist out, or mini twist out, or however you want to say it. This is how it turned out. Okay, I absolutely adore it. I think it turned out so perfect. I did not use gel on my hair at all, and actually it lasted a whole lot longer than I thought if I would have used gel. So I prefer the the no gel twist out look. And yeah, this lasted me, I think, for like a week, I believe. So right now I'm just playing around with the side part, or if I wanted just to do no parting at all. So let me guys know which was your favorite, the side part or the no part. But until next time, thanks for watching. Oh, subscribe, hurry up, do it real quick, and goodbye. Oh wait, there we go, bye.